And our sausage is ready. You can have it with breakfast or as a snack or with spaghetti or no. So friends, the first thing we want to do for this recipe of chicken sausage or chicken hot dogs, we will saute some garlic, minced garlic. It doesn't take too long to cook the garlic. So I've taken a tablespoon of olive oil and added garlic to it. Once we start smelling the aroma of the garlic, we will add some green chilies, diced green chilies. So I can smell the garlic now and it is done. So I'm going to add some green chilies. Okay friends, the next thing I'm gonna do is add the hot dog or the chicken sausage. So I cut it like this because this gives more surface area and it absorbs more flavor. You can cut it round also if you like it round. These are already cooked, but I want to saute them till they are like they have some brownie. And friends, fennel seeds give a good flavor to the chicken sausage. So add just like a half a teaspoon of fennel seeds or fennel seed powder if you have that. We'll cook the sausage for about 3 minutes. And then we'll add the next thing, that is the onions. I still have the heat on medium. So friends, it has been around 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add some onions. I'm also going to add some salt. So the hot dogs already have some salt, so add carefully. So friends, I'm also going to add some bell peppers. It looks great, very colorful. And you can have this dish as a snack or in the breakfast or anytime you want. You can add it to the spaghetti. So friends, we don't have to cook the onions and peppers a lot, so we won't cook them too much. I will add some chili flakes. They will also give a good flavor. And then I have some spicy chili sauce that I want to add. So we'll add just a little bit of that and just a little bit of vinegar. You can take any vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. So we'll add just a little bit of vinegar. And this is our last ingredient. So friends, this is it. I turned the heat off and our sausage is ready. You can have it with breakfast or as a snack or with spaghetti or noodles, and it tastes really good. You can adjust the salt as per taste. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.